Hey guys, what's going on? This is HT, and today what I'm bringing you guys is a 40 gun streak with the MP7, so it's a pretty good gameplay. I thought you guys would enjoy it, so if we could get maybe 30 likes in this video, I'd appreciate it, because it's pretty good gameplay. So, 40 gun streak Moab with the MP7, but this isn't going to be about the gameplay. This is another episode of Science Saturdays, and haven't done one of these in a while, but I thought today I'd talk about cellular respiration, and it's kind of interesting. It's how the body actually makes the energy to use it, to power the muscles, to power the heart, etc., etc. So it's in 3 stages. I'm going to talk about the first stage, and if you guys are, good at biology, you've probably already heard this. But in 3 stages, it occurs in the cell. It usually occurs in, 3 different parts of the cell. So the first stage we're going to talk about is glycolysis, and this stage here is when 2 ATP are made, and it occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. And if you don't know what that is, it is the cell. It's the cell, like cellular fluid. It's part of that where all the organelles live. So it's pretty complex stuff. But 2 ATP are made there, and ATP is adenosine triphosphate. And if you don't know what that does, adenosine triphosphate is the energy store that we have in our bodies to power our muscles and stuff like that. And we make it from glucose. So in the glycolysis stage, glucose is broken down into I believe pyruvic acid, and that change in pyruvic acid from glucose gives you 2 ATP molecules, and there's things called NADH molecules, and they carry hydrogen ions, and these are going to be used in the later stage. So we've got 2 ATP molecules, and we've got 2 NADH molecules carrying hydrogen ions, and I don't know what you guys are going to think of this, but the next stage is the Krebs cycle, or the citric acid cycle, and again here, this pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl-CoA, which is acetyl-CoA or something, I'm not too sure. But in that conversion, there's more ATP made and more NADH molecules made. And these NADH molecules are going to be used in the next stage of cellular respiration, which is the electron transport chain. And this is where we get most of our energy. This occurs in the mitochondria, in the mitochondrial cristae, which is like a membrane, double membrane. But that occurs in there, and I believe 36 ATP are made there, and that's pretty much where we get most of our energy. And this is aerobic glycolysis, so it requires oxygen for this to happen. So that's why obviously we breathe, so we can use this to make ATP energy for our bodies to use. Because if we didn't have ATP, we'd all be dead, and we wouldn't be walking around or anything like that. But an electron transport chain occurs in the mitochondrial cristae, and I believe the Krebs cycle occurs in the matrix, which is the fluidy part of the mitochondria as well. So pretty complex stuff, but that's pretty much cellular respiration in a nutshell. It's pretty hard to learn, and I might go over another episode, but ATP is pretty much the energy source that we use to create our energy, and we use it for all of our cellular processes and stuff like that. So you guys are probably wondering, what is this ATP? How does it work? Well, it's an adenosine molecule with 3 phosphates attached, hence the name triphosphate. And to get the energy out of the ATP, there's bonds between the phosphates, and you have to break one of them, which is called, I can't remember what it's called. When you add water to something, hydrolysis. By the process of hydrolysis, you add water, and the bond's broken, and that's when you get your ATP energy. You get your energy out of the ATP molecules. And look at this, by the way. Before the science topic, but I took out a lot of these guys. It was pretty nice, but then I ended up dying. But thanks for watching the first episode, guys. All about ATP and cellular respiration. I might go over photosynthesis in the next episode of Science Saturdays. Or if you guys have any science-related stuff you want me to talk about, whether it's biology, math, maybe. Well, not really math, but it is Science Saturdays. But thanks for watching, guys, and if you guys enjoyed this Moab 40 gun streak, be sure to give it a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next episodes. See you guys.